More on the left way. Happy ending. Alright, cool. As you can see, I got a lot of energy right now, yeah, because today is the day. That last video, yeah, was a bunch of nothing in it. I put it out there that something big's coming. And today is the video. Today is the day. Today is the day. I'm about to link the guys and we're gonna go. If you man ain't subscribed already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, cool. So, near enough about 6. I'm waiting for the guys to come to my bit. And then we're gonna fly there. You know, I'll go obviously inspect the car. I can't really just go and get the car and just say, yeah, this is it. All the background checks on the car. So, everything is looking all well and decent. Completely, oh my gosh, this is an amazing car. But I can't go wrong, to be fair. So, I just can't wait. It's time. The guys are coming to pick me up.
How did you get here so fast? Is that Ryan?
He's in the back. Oh, you know what? Oh.
Niggas are gone, you know, thank you Jesus. I'm gonna go get Ryan's car now and bro's been working very, very hard. I seen the grind fam. Have to respect it. Good things come. Have to be thanking God all the time as well fam. When it's gonna be me. But yeah man, get a car and dine in. You got Dennis there. My boy at the back. That's Ichigo right now, you know, Skokie.
I'm coming.
Say nothing.
You call me.
I know.
Hold it. Awareness. I just see you. Bro, we're talking about you, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, no awareness.
No, on the passenger seat, bro.
No, 6 cents.
That's too big.
Oh, the handbrake.
All of us.
Yo. Right now, so currently waiting for it's taking a lovely time. Wait, is it on the train or like it should be? Bro, stay slamming for
Mesh, yeah.
I'm hearing bad tweeting. What's going on? Damn. He's just drug dealer, fam. What's that?
Bob.
Yeah, oh yeah, you looking so. Yeah, I didn't know the time, you know.
Bob.
What's going on, man?
Up in there. Yeah.
That shit.
That shit.
Slide on the ship. I should go ahead on.
Uncammy.
For the cameras, innit? Just for cameras.
Actually, not time, bro.
That's not real music.
It's not paying music, so.
I kind of this new album that Pain though. I fuck with it though. That's not Pain though.
It's real painful. Outside in the wilderness, we've located. It goes right against them. I'm yelling at, bro. It's too dark.
Thank you, God.
Type. This is him. This is big homie. Oh crap. This is big homie. Biggest homie. Can't you see nothing? It's too dark now, bro. She's a little dirty.
You good.
You think so?
You good.
I think I'm good. Yeah.
Tell them to send it.
Is that me? About 20 minutes, innit? Man's dying out here. Baby moms. Baby moms.
I forgot, bro. Hey.
Guys.
Bless him, how?
I'm trying to help him.
How you feeling?
I don't know, man. This is the generational day.
Generational day. Telling you, bro.
Look at her, bro.
He's not even crying, you know, he's genuinely just sick.
Listen, I can do some serious things in here, you know, cause yo.
Focus.
Chill out, bro. Take a touch.
I'm scared about his electric handbrake. Yeah. These on clip on it. I got the armrest.
You got armrest as well, bro.
Big
car, that's why. Like, is it, man, it's even bigger than that. Wait, what?
Oh.
1.6.
Right.
Silly nigga, bro. But
Wait,
hey,
wait, how do you 1.6 now as well?
The man.
And this one was
Oh, the
1.6.
BMW?
Is it 1.6 or 1.4?
I don't know, you know.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. 1.6. That's like £80, you know.
oof.
Imagine like 40, 60 something.
And don't be one of them brothers here that puts 10 sheet.
That's what I'm saying.
Fill it to the
Before
top, bro,
tank
you know what I
it,
mean?
that's what I do,
High
bro.
five.
Yo.
Why has it got to be premium though, bro?
1.4.
I ain't got no money for it. Where's bro?
Not for them.
That's what I'm thinking.
Tryna. End it. Cause that.
The clutch on this car is deep, but you got long legs, but it's deep. It kind of goes up into the car. You know how the clutch? You know how you can like go down. This one kind of goes up in the car.
Oh, I remember the Fiat from this,
So
bro.
you drive?
Me? Oh no, I just driven.
I thought you said you drive?
I'm learning. I haven't passed yet.
I thought you bought.
Nah.
Oh no, you know. That's what you learn it.
You too friendly.
Ran.
Oh, this is your thing, get on it. Fiesta.
Is it a Fiesta?
That's things.
I want to five door late. But do you see that you need it? I'm telling you, I'm getting from 14 below. Because that's before the, you know, eco.
Sneezing, fam.
No, I'm saying all things are fine.
What plate is this? What's that, bro? No, the
That's
Europe
that's
thing.
European car.
European.
Come on, DMO. No, UMO. UMO and that.
Low battery.
Guys, we get in the car.
Close and that. How you feeling?
You know.
Too much smiling, bro. Not enough words,
My
bro.
bad. That's it.
Looking.
Alright, man, out with the guys right now. He's
Yeah.
trying to check that the whip is steady. Dead thing that breaks up
Dead
in the middle
whip.
of the road.
Ah.
So we're just gonna do the check. I'm gonna press him live. If you give me the wrong answer, I'm gonna smash him to the floor, bro. Live. Did you give it to her or not?
What?
No.
Oh.
Big one.
This is me, bro. This is
Hey, Bev, have you already given you copy?
Give me this.
The cardboard box one.
V5 there.
Huh?
Let me.
Blur it. Got
This is my man's information on that, but
We didn't give it to no one else. It was in the
race no one's.
Ah. Freestyle, bro. Little first car freestyle, bro.
Yeah, cool.
No, wait,
Ask
no,
her,
no.
ask her.
No.
Humble.
Oh, anyway, get what you want,
Huh?
and you know me. But why not now, fam? Bro, this is a D missed though.
Don't worry, Bev. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. Don't worry. Don't be. Do not be worried.
What's he on about?
Nah, this one.
Hey, wait.
You ain't leave bros outside, bro. You gonna... Bro's car seat already all the way back. You probably don't move it.
Bro, you know what it is? It was in the crib, and then I stopped seeing it.
Big bro rang, you know.
It was
He's gonna send it. Some man who's locked in looks like.
It's the box, bro.
Poor guy.
It's the box, bro. Man, see.
Can't find the box under.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to get petty.
We're locked in, bro.
Sorry, see if you get huh? No, because I recorded and I can't forget the guys. Wait.
You have to watch a video or something?
Where's the thing for this one? Apparently I need premium. Oh, this is premium, innit? My fault.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
My fault. Sorry, guys.
Full tank it.
I have to, innit?
You got a card?
Yeah.
The card is yours.
Being 6 years for us.
Hold on. Dennis got ran here holding up the queue. There's niggas behind him. He's holding up the queue.
Shit.
You don't care though. Buff. How you feel first time? How you feel?
Last time, man, the smell of petrol.
Lol. There's 4 niggas behind us. You know there's 4 niggas behind us. £40, raw. Cheers. I'm not joking, bro. I'm joking.
Bro.
Now you go to it from. You don't even need the gas, bro.
Oh, that's it.
Nah. Right.
You're right,
Nah.
My mentions all out, bro. You get me?
Oh man,
£46, 30. Hey guys, I got a car.
Hey, do it again.
one man.
Go straight to that. Oh, yeah, let's go then. Oh, you gotta go around.
Yeah, bro.
He's ready now. He's leaving it open.
You know, you're not gonna do it.
That's the thing,
I'll
bro.
do it.
Oh, shit. You're right. I got that.
Come on, Humble. Started. You ready?
Guys, I gotta go.
Nah.
Oh, I can't do the thing.
The TikTok. You go ahead, court. Book it. I got a budget for the lawyer though. Nah, you can't kiss.
Fuck it. I don't wanna go to court.
Huh?
Fuck it.
I got a budget for the lawyer though. Yeah. Bro was gone from. How do you get out? Then.
No tune.
Hold on. Fuck the tunes on. We need to lock in. I am the person that princess. Yeah, you can kind of feel it.
Huh? I'm coming.
Iron. You know, open dog and tiny. Hold on. Asian man. Guys, we may be cooked here. Tune in. Hey guys, in my boyfriend's home.
Show me, Johnny.
You got lucky, you know. One hand. One hand sticky. Yeah, got lucky.
Yeah, ladies. See what outside the Tesco run. The keys this fam, I'm just deep in it.
Morning, asking for the refund.
Oh yeah, send it in it. The glazed donuts. You can get the matting from that fam. Where you going? This is bread. Oh, bro's got the Tesco club card, so I should be fine. Oh, he's stealing. Hey man. Hey. He's here to meet a 13-year-old little girl.
Yeah, true.
It's alright. Hi guys. So,
He's teething.
it's teeth in the food. So a little shopping spree. What?
So guys, we have to go home now.
Damn it! Well, we grab a sweet real quick though. Oh, they got like the different sizes in it.
Get no.
Cock out, bro.
Yeah, niggas broke fam.
In the. Oh, that's live.
You want to the car?
Niggas broke fam.
Yeah.
Niggas broke.
I can't lie.
Let me send you a better.
I'm broke fam.
Greedy.
Bow.
Transition.
New car, new man. More money, more prob.
But you're fucking
Nah,
up.
you can't release this video now.
Bleep it. Bleep
You have to
it.
refund.
Beep it.
Bro, tap the key and he's there pressing this one, bro. I was crazy for
Nah, man. Hey, imagine, yeah, we're trying to fill up the pay, innit? You search it up, you got to unlock the.
I told you that to unlock
So
the
yeah,
This shit fam.
but bro, this guy, I'm telling the man, unlock it. I'm telling him press this. This guy's pressing this.
Yeah, how'd you get that?
phone. I bought with my pistol.
What? Fish him.
Oh, you did?
You didn't see the first room?
He lied.
Yeah. Taper.
Goatee.
Taper.
Where's the watch?
14 diamonds. Scenes. I remember paying
Different setting in it. It's at home.
Alright, man.
What's down at home, Alto? Get me. Put down the payment on the car.
I'm trying to get yatted soon, man. I'm trying to get yatted again, man. I'm trying to get.
Nah, it's too.
No, I'm asking what you gonna get.
Watch.
See, bro. See you guys. You on a date or not?
Brother, I'm telling you, bro. I'm getting the other side done now. I just got this one, man. I'm gonna finish
What
the
did
arm.
that say?
Show them. Yeah, this is
What's
greedy.
the Bible verse?
There's a verse in Romans 40.
Nah, that's what
It's somewhere there.
Somewhere there.
And he says that it says something along those lines, but obviously man just simplified
If
it.
God is for me, then who can be against me?
Then man get
Damn.
But yeah. First 2 years.
I can't lie, since I went to uni, all I've had is 6 tangerines, you know, the little orange.
So wait, man.
I know, but I don't know why. It's not even stress.
Mm.
Driving's done.
Driving got the guys, bro.
Guys, them shout me.
Mm.
Nah, don't shout me still.
Bro's got 2 whips.
I like that.
I haven't got house keys.
You don't have house keys?
No.
Did they get taken from you? What?
No, it's just like. took out my pocket one time.
Sunflower.
And we went on there, bro. We just went on there.
The sunflower lanyard.
Nah, I had like the no.
They call you already.
Oh.
You guys sing them yard as wrong.
Loud, guys, please.
Man.
Could have been a long day. But yeah, man.
I know house keys is nuts.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
How to get out of the yard? Knock.
Gotta pay someone's home.
Man's got a little secret thing.
Car keys not with your house keys.
Nah, I'm separate. Just
That's
in
true
case,
still.
like, imagine losing out.
Everything.
All for everything.
You can't lose everything.
I'm saying that's what you need to swear, bro.
It's got to be one on the other phone.
Hey, it's gonna get copyrighted, you know.
Nah, I got
Play Mac into the RAM.
Real music.
You niggas
Can
still
I,
got copyright us.
can I interest you in some music?
€20, bro.
Listen, man, can I
He wants to. He wants your ears.
Go on, you sound like one of them guys that's trying to sell you the mixtape and that.
No, I'm not selling this to you. I'm close, bro.
He's got bare season, man.
They go to rappers.
Listen, this is my song. Hopefully, God willing, everything goes well. EP. Everything God willing.
Oh yeah, time last
Goes on
minute.
the EP, innit? It's called
EP soon.
It's called Go Tech 16. You got headphones?
I only got.
Yeah, that's cool.
Honest opinions.
Hold on. Honest opinions. I don't want no.
You need want me collecting too?
Yeah.
You need want me collecting too?
Yeah. I don't want to hear no lies.